There are two ways to add categories, units, and brands. First, you can add them on the fly as you create an item. Second, you can find separate management options under the Items menu. Now, let's look at the second option. Under Item menu, click Categories. Click the plus Add Category button in the top right corner. Here you can add an image by clicking to browse or even use the Generate AI image feature for a quick visual. Make sure your images are optimized to the suggested dimensions for the best performance. Now, let's name our category. For this example, we'll type Books. Once done, hit Submit. Go back to the Items menu and click Units, then select the plus Add Unit button. Choose a unit from the drop-down. Here we are selecting a box. You can also set the decimal point value. Setting this to 2 allows you to sell fractions of a unit. Click Submit to save. Finally, let's add brands to help filter inventory and track performance by manufacturer. Under the same Items menu, click on Brands. Then click plus Add Brand button. Enter the brand name. Click the Submit button. Thanks for watching.